And I'm going to say this for prosperity. I told you the governor and the mayor lied through them motherfucking teeths. One got had the air flow through, and one's a drag-ass queen. Either way, they lie. They're misappropriation of funds, or stuffed in their pockets, or stuff in the people's pockets. They gotta bribe and lie to all these fucking corrupt cops. And you think somebody gonna call 911 for help? Nigga, please. I tried that. Nigga, please. And I was in Baltimore County. The whole system is motherfucking rigged. The boat dropped. The bridge dropped. Need money. No murder, need money. Education, now murder, need money. It keep escalating. But the one thing that stays the same, Merlin is bankrupt, and them niggas right there, the reason start from Stephanie Rawlins, nigga.